Want to keep your garden looking sharp without breaking a sweat? A powerful hedge trimmer can make all the difference when it comes to clean, precise cuts and effortless shaping. In this video, we bring you the top 3 hedge trimmers of the year, tested for performance, ease of use, and durability. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a landscaping pro, these tools are designed to tackle hedges, shrubs, and bushes like a breeze. Let's trim down the choices and find your perfect match. In the third, the BLACK+DECKER hedge trimmer features a 17-inch dual-action hardened steel blade designed to reduce vibration and offer more comfort during trimming sessions. Its motor is capable of trimming branches up to 5/8 inch thick, making it suitable for most residential garden tasks. The lightweight and compact design reduces fatigue and makes it ideal for users who need more control and comfort, especially for those with smaller frames. The built-in T-handle and full-length trigger help with grip and precision, while the cord retention system ensures the device stays plugged in during operation. One of the standout features is how manageable it is, especially for beginners or homeowners with limited trimming needs. However, it is a corded model, meaning you'll always need an outlet nearby and an extension cord, which may limit mobility and cause inconvenience during longer sessions. Some customers also report that the trimmer lacks durability, with units breaking within just a couple of weeks. While opinions about blade sharpness vary, some users find them extremely sharp, and others find they struggle with tougher branches. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER hedge trimmer is a great starter tool for small yards or average homeowners looking for an affordable and lightweight option. But its limited range and occasional quality concerns may make it less suitable for more demanding or long-term use. Secondly, the Pro hedge trimmer stands out with its upgraded copper wire motor and 22-inch laser cutting blade, offering impressive trimming power on hedges up to 5/8 inch thick. The overcurrent protection program enhances the tool's stability and prolongs its life, giving users more confidence in regular use. Designed for convenience, this hedge trimmer includes a full-length soft grip trigger, a 180-degree rotating rear handle, and a wraparound front handle for control during both vertical and horizontal trimming. Weighing just 4.4 pounds, it is extremely lightweight, reducing arm fatigue during extended trimming sessions. A major benefit is its cordless operation, giving users the freedom to move around without restriction. It is also compatible with DeWalt batteries, which is a significant advantage for those already invested in that ecosystem. However, this trimmer does not include the battery and charger, meaning additional purchases are required to get started, which can be frustrating and costly. Some customers also point out build quality concerns, mentioning that the unit can feel fragile or even break during early use, especially if pushed too hard. In conclusion, the Pro hedge trimmer is an excellent lightweight and maneuverable option for light-duty trimming and shaping tasks, especially for users who prioritize cordless freedom and comfort. But the extra cost of batteries and mixed durability feedback may deter some buyers. And to finish, first of all, the Craftsman hedge trimmer earns its top spot with reliable performance, user-friendly features, and a comfortable design. Equipped with 20-inch dual-action blades and a 3/4 inch cut capacity, it offers solid cutting power for a variety of garden tasks. The full wraparound handle improves control and comfort, especially when trimming hedges from multiple angles or dealing with awkward positions. It is a cordless model, meaning no power cord to tangle with, and users love the freedom it provides during extended trimming jobs. One of the most praised features is the battery life, with users reporting long-lasting usage without interruptions for charging. The tool is also considered lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for all kinds of users, even those without a lot of upper body strength. However, some customers feel uncertain about the size of the trimmer, with a few finding it either too small for large jobs or not robust enough for heavy-duty tasks. Despite this, the vast majority agree that it delivers excellent results for general maintenance and trimming needs. In conclusion, the Craftsman Hedge Trimmer combines strong cutting capacity, cordless convenience, and user comfort in a well-rounded tool perfect for residential use, offering great value and reliable performance for anyone looking to maintain their outdoor space with minimal hassle. In summary, whether you're a casual gardener or someone who takes hedge maintenance seriously, choosing the right hedge trimmer makes all the difference. From the affordable and lightweight BLACK+DECKER to the cordless versatility of the Pro, and finally the balanced performance of the Craftsman, each trimmer offers distinct advantages tailored to different needs. If you want something budget-friendly and easy to handle, go for BLACK+DECKER. If you already use DeWalt batteries and want cordless freedom, Pro is a great choice. But for the best, all-around performance, battery life, and cutting power, the Craftsman Hedge Trimmer takes the crown. Make your trimming tasks smoother, faster, and more enjoyable by choosing the one that fits your garden and your style best. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.